Okay, so team, this is it. This is the template. As I don't know, you can't see the bottom, but this is only 38 slides. That's all. Of course, when you add a few more slides, at the most you are going to get probably 50 slides. Okay, 60 at the most. I'll be really surprised if you get 100 slides. Something is very wrong. That means you don't know how to make a short story. So you got to make a short story that tells the whole story. Okay, Fiona and Sue, tell me what are your first impressions after seeing this entire template?
More detailed than what is required by the Lundbeck HQ.
Of course, yeah. I told you all, it will be. I told you all, it will be. And that will help you, Sue and Fiona, because you got more details here. And when regional asks you for information, you just plug from here and you paste it into region's template. That's all. And when they come and ask you, why is your graph like this? Why aren't you growing here? Why aren't you growing there? You always come back to this template and you refer to this. And then you can give your explanation because you have already done it. So your answer is already there. Sorry,
Jeff. So what is not in the regional template?
What is not in the regional template? Yeah, that's a good question. I had a look at the regional template. I think quite a bit of the situation analysis portion is not there. And I think also, I remember seeing the 4 Ps there. Sue and Fiona, the price is there, right? Price, I don't know whether promotions are there. I don't know whether positioning is there. Is promotion? Positioning is there.
Positioning is something that cannot change, right? The product positioning is like universal.
Oh, we will have a look at that, Sue. Yeah. We will have a look at that. Yeah. So we want to make the positioning, even if it comes from regional or HQ, we want to make it localized. Because certain positions are, like for example, you have mentioned Resulti. I'm sure the HQ's positioning is schizo as well as adjunct therapy for depression. Correct? But in Malaysia, the doctors may be resistant to adjunct. For example, I'm just saying an example. So therefore, in Malaysia, your positioning is going to be for new patients diagnosed for schizo. That's all. So you're not going against HQ's positioning. It's just that you are adapting it for Malaysia. Does that help you, Sue?
Yeah.
Yeah, so you are not creating a positioning like, Resulti is going to be used for Alzheimer's disease. Okay, we are not going to go and do that. All of us will get fired, okay? If we do that. Okay, not all of us, you only, Sue. Okay, all right. So I hope that was helpful. Fiona, what is your input on this?
It's very detailed, and then I've got I don't know a lot of the information. It feels a bit heavy.
Okay, don't worry about it. I mean, if the first time you're doing this, you can feel overwhelmed, but don't worry. That's why we are doing this step by step. And this is the reason why I told Kin Sang, I want to have a workshop rather than training. Imagine if it's training, I would have trained you in all of this, the concepts and the steps to take all in 2 days. And then you are left on your own. So it is going to be a huge burden for you, especially if you have not done this before. And even if you have done this before, as Yue said, there are certain things you have never done before, all going to be new to you. So that's why I want to go through this step by step with you. So that's why we're doing it workshop. All right. So any other comments from either Fiona or Yue about this?
No, not until we start doing, and then there will be more questions.
Sure, definitely you will have. All right. So if there are no other questions, this is what I'm going to be doing. First of all, this recording, I'm going to, of course, cut it up into small sections so that's easier for you all to go through. Put it up on our on my LMS system. as well as this template is going to be there, so you can download it and start using it. Now, your task, Fiona and Xue, is to fill up the portion on the situation analysis. That's all. That's all you have to do. Forget about the others. Don't touch the others now. I just want you to fill that up. And I want to ask you, how long do you think you would need to fill that? How many weeks would you require?
Longer the better.
Okay.
What is the number?
And therefore, what is better for you?
Okay, give us more than 1 month at least.
Okay. Who said that? Xue. Okay, Xue.
Yeah.
So today is what? Today is the 4th.
Oh.
Okay, today is the 4th. So what is the 4th of July? 4th of July is Sunday. So I don't want to take up Monday because Monday you all are coming back to work and all that. Would the 6th of July or the 7th or the 8th or even the 9th, which one of these dates would you prefer? Oh, wait, before you give me your dates, I want to ask Fiona. Fiona, is 1 month sufficient for you?
I will try my best.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now, let me just rewind, Fiona and Xue. Looking at the situation summary that you have to, input this slide, this one, this, one, this, and that one. Do you have the bulk of this information already, either in chart form or existing somewhere?
No.
No.
I think the patient one, it needs some time to think and do. I think that one takes a lot of time.
All right. Okay. So Fiona, let's also then therefore set how is 9th of July for you all. It doesn't matter, Fiona and Xue, whether you're completed or not, but let's all come back together on the 9th of July and go through this where Fiona and Xue, you'll be presenting the situation analysis set of slides. Okay, so Xue, you got 2 products. Fiona, you got 3 products. And just like the last time, when I got you all to present, Fiona, you take 30 minutes per product of yours. And same thing also with you, Xue, 30 minutes per product. So 1 hour for Xue and 1.5 for Fiona. Sales managers, what do you think? You think that's a good start? Doesn't matter, Fiona and Xue, how much you have input into the slides, but let's have a first round. Once you get that first round done, the situation analysis, the other portions are all very fast. So Anki, Serena, and Doreen, what do you all think? 9th of July for you all, good?
I'm okay.
Okay with me too.
Okay, Doreen is okay, Serena. So Fiona and Xue, shall we set 9th of July?
Yeah, let's try. What can we find until then?
Yes, good. So
yeah.
whatever is
Maybe
missing, at least
cannot
we can.
complete lah.
Yeah, if you
If
can't
cannot-
complete,
uh,
if you can't complete, that's okay.
Yeah.
Let's together on 9th of July come together and we can together collaborate and see what we can do. What is missing, and what needs to be input inside there.
Sure.
Okay. So 9th July, let's do it from 9 to just to have some buffer there. Let's take it up to 1 p.m. Just for some buffer. 1.5 for Fiona and 1 hour for Xue. I just want to give an additional 1.5 hours.